international conference being organized between FAPSI and also Matrushri Institute of Management. The theme of this conference is very much fitting to the present needs of the country, and many problems regarding banking and insurance are going to be discussed in these 2 days conference, and very important people have arrived from insurance companies and also banking industry. And one of the major themes that is being discussed in this conference today afternoon, which I will be chairing, in that how to take the banking industry to rural areas, to the poorer people and unemployed youth in the remote places as a policy of inclusive economy development in the country. So in that context, we are going to discuss some important research papers that are being written by faculty members and practicing executives. Now these papers will bring out a number of issues which are going to be the major recommendations of the conference, which will be put to practice. And this kind of thing will definitely help the students to understand the growing importance of banking and insurance in the national economy, and the students' employment opportunities in future years to come, which are going to be enormous, and the students must pick up their careers in this banking and insurance in coming years, and they must also see that additional qualifications are required along with the existing MBA or MCOM or that kind of commerce courses. If they can specialize themselves, there will be a number of employment opportunities. Some of the organizations are coming forward to help the students and help the faculty, help the service sector, especially to take this to the rural areas. For example, IKEA Global Foundation, for which I am advisor, I am trying to help them, and that is one organization which is taking the economy on drive and also creating employment opportunities to the youngsters in the rural areas to come.